Alright, let's restore one of these beautiful vintage chasing hammers in under 4 minutes. Let's start with this one. It has the most unique shape and it's by far my favorite of the group. So let's go over what we have to get done. So the handle is usable. Doesn't really seem to fit the elegant shape of the head. The face has a big dent in the middle. And as you can see, the handle's just kind of rough and doesn't have any pretty shapes. So we're going to go ahead and take that off and try to reuse this handle. And just give it some reshaping. Alright, with the handle now off, we can start working on refacing that dented front face of the hammer. These are chasing hammers, so it's spent a lifetime of hitting a hard steel punch right there in the center over and over. And that's gonna create quite the divot over many, many years of use. Alright, now it's handle time. And unfortunately, I didn't notice when I was taking the head off that I broke the handle. I think it's pretty much beyond repair. So let's make a brand new one. Using one of my old chasing hammers as sort of a pattern just to get the rough shape. And then we'll just go to the bandsaw, cut it out, and then do one thing that I really, really love, which is sculpting wood underneath a belt sander. Sounds weird, but I really enjoy it. Material removes fast and you can create some really, really cool. I really enjoy making chasing hammers. And one of the things that really helps me in making my own designs is studying a group of hammers like this and restoring them. Each one of these hammers has a lot of subtle, different details, and when I get to take a closer look while restoring them, really helps me develop my own designs and understand the true function of these hammers and how they work. If you enjoyed this video, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to this channel. That works too. And check out the full-length 20-minute version of restoring this full group of hammers over on youtube.com/thatworks. Thank you, and as always, keep on hammering.